Levi Pitt is a master at ranch and big game butchering. He owns Country Meats in Elk Grove, California.
It takes you how long to butcher?
By myself, a couple hours. With the crew, we do a beef about every hour or so.
This beef that you've done is that's going into my freezer from my house. But a lot of times, I have to talk to people and I have to tell them that, well, the carcass is going to come in and we're going to call it a hot carcass. It's not actually hot, but we call that, right? Mm-hmm. And by the time the carcass gets from the hot to the cold to process to cut and wrap, and they take it out in their boxes, it's a big difference in weight.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
Do your customers ever go, what the?
Yeah, if they're new in it, we kind of sit down and explain it to them. They understand cut loss. You can't eat all of it. Yeah, you have to trust your butcher. There's a lot of great butchers out there.